To add rational expressions, you should identify the least common denominator, LCD, rewrite each fraction so that it contains the LCD, add numerators placing the sum over the LCD, and if possible, reduce the resulting fraction. Example 1. Add 2 over b plus 5 over b plus 3. Give the sum in reduced form. In order to add fractions, we need to have a common denominator. Our denominators for this problem are different, b and b plus 3. Neither denominator factors. The LCD must contain a factor of b and a factor of b plus 3. The LCD is b times b plus 3. Rewrite each fraction so that it contains the LCD. In the first fraction, 2 over b, the factor b plus 3 is missing from the denominator. Multiply by b plus 3 over b plus 3. The second fraction, 5 over b plus 3, is missing the b factor. Multiply it by b over b. Simplify each fraction by multiplying numerators. In the first fraction, 2 times b plus 3 equals 2b plus 6. In the second fraction, the numerator is 5 times b. Add numerators by combining like terms. 2b plus 5b equals 7b. The 6 carries along. Place the result over the least common denominator. 2 over b plus 5 over b plus 3 equals 7b plus 6 over b times b plus 3. This fraction does not reduce. To subtract two rational expressions, start by changing the subtraction to addition. In example 2, we will subtract 6 over 8x squared minus 6x minus 9 from 4 over 4x squared minus 9. Change the subtraction to addition. The minus sign gets carried up to the 6 in the second numerator. To add fractions, we need to have common denominators. To find common denominators, we need to compare factors within each denominator. The first denominator, 4x squared minus 9, is a difference of squares. 4x squared minus 9 factors into 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. The second denominator is a trinomial that can be factored into 2x minus 3 times 4x plus 3. If you need help factoring, you may want to go to the section on polynomial factoring. The LCD must contain all of the factors of the first denominator and then any additional factors from the second denominator. The LCD contains 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 from the first denominator and 4x plus 3 from the second denominator. The 2x minus 3 factor from the second denominator is already included in the LCD since it is also a factor in the first denominator. The LCD is 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 times 4x plus 3. Rewrite each fraction so that it contains the LCD. The first fraction is missing the 4x plus 3 factor from the denominator. Multiply the first fraction by 4x plus 3 over 4x plus 3. The second fraction is missing the 2x plus 3 factor from the denominator. Multiply the second fraction by 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3. Before we add fractions, we should simplify the numerators. It is okay to leave the denominators factored. In the first fraction, 4 times 4x plus 3 equals 16x plus 12. In the second fraction, negative 6 times 2x plus 3 equals negative 12x minus 18. Add the numerators and carry across the LCD. 16x plus negative 12x equals 4x. 12 plus a negative 18 equals negative 6. After adding the fractions, we get 4x minus 6 over 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 times 4x plus 3. The last step is to see if we can reduce. In this example, we can reduce because 4x minus 6 can be factored into 2 times 2x minus 3. And the common factor of 2x minus 3 can be canceled out. This leaves us with 2 over 2x plus 3 times 4x plus 3. You should look over the examples on the web page and then test your knowledge using Test Yourself.